How to make a junket pudding. Junket is a dairy milk-based dessert made with dairy milk and rennet. The rest of the ingredients heavily vary, as you can use yogurt and/or kefir or none of those. If you wish, add maple syrup or honey, cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, ginger and/or granola, liquors, cream, fruits or chocolate for special occasions. Technically, due to the use of rennet, it can be recognized by someone as a sweet variant of cheese. Nowadays, we can call it a dessert. Some claimed that it was a traditional English dish. However, different variants of it have been consumed in the rest of Europe under other names. It is a light food and therefore easy to digest. Because of that, junket was used as a transition food for babies and in hospitals to feed the patients. It was recognized as healthy food and even recommended along with milk, cheeses, vegetables, etc. How to make junket. You will need dairy milk of your choice: cows, goats, sheep, or buffaloes. Preferably full fat and high in protein for more curds, but not homogenized. For the best texture, use ready yogurt or kefir, or make some as an extra step if you do not have them. Rennet, liquid or tablets, a multi-cooker, or a simple saucepan. For one portion, you will need 1 liter of dairy milk high in protein, 1 tablespoon active kefir or yogurt, 1/3 cup maple syrup or honey, caramel or any other syrup, or to taste. You can replace it with 3 tablespoons of sugar. However, some prefer to use natural honey rather than refined sugar. 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, or to taste. 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg, or to taste. 1/2 teaspoon cardamom, or to taste. 2 drops liquid rennet, or 1/16 of a rennet tablet. You can also add a pinch of lemon zest, chocolate, or fruits. You can skip some ingredients if not preferable, like nutmeg or cardamom, or add others like vanilla or rose water. You can also add fresh fruit and clotted cream as the last step when transferring the junket to individual servings. You can also serve it with biscuits or biscuit crumble. Then follow the steps below. 1. Warm your milk gently on the stove or in the multi-cooker until it reaches between 35 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius, or between 95 degrees Fahrenheit and 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Lukewarm is preferable. A thermometer is not needed, as the milk should be warm to the touch but not hot. 2. Culture your milk by adding a spoonful of kefir or yogurt to the milk. Cover the pot and allow it to incubate for 1 hour. If using a multi-cooker, just set it at 35 degrees Celsius or 90 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour or 2. Do not exceed 2 hours, which is the maximum. 3. After the incubation time, mix in the maple syrup, salt, and other spices. Stir well. Do not add the rennet at this stage. Instead, dissolve the rennet in 1/4 cup water and add this mix to the milk. Stir again. 4. Pour the junket into individual cups and leave it to set for about 3 hours before transferring it to the fridge. Do not disturb, shake, stir, or try to move them before they set. 5. Enjoy and consume within 3 days. For more info and tips, visit www.yogurtathome.com, our blog, forum, shop, or yogurt app.